We are taking a live look at our sky cams from the Palm Beaches to the Treasure Coast. For now, South Florida is finally done with the rain, but cooler temperatures are headed our way. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Jade Jarvis. Certified first warning meteorologist Brooke Silverang joins us now. And Brooke, when are we going to need our jackets?
All right, the second we step out the door, Jade, so temperatures will continue to drop as you go throughout your evening, and then tomorrow morning we're going to wake up to some pretty chilly numbers here across South Florida and the Treasure Coast, but looking lovely over in Boca Raton. Temperatures earlier today, we managed to make it into the upper 70s. Right now, 72 degrees, winds out of the northwest, still breezy at 17 miles per hour, but look at that drier air in place, with an indication there in our dew points in the upper 50s. So we are seeing some dry air filtering in, and especially heading into your Tuesday morning, we could see even colder weather. So we made it to 79 in South Florida. Tomorrow morning, about a 20-degree difference when you head out the door. So definitely plan for that as we start you off our brand new work week. It will feel very chilly. So here's our frontal boundary moving out of the way. Another reinforcement of colder air moves in on Tuesday. It's going to stick around for a couple of days. So actually, the first official day of winter is this Thursday, and it'll feel like it here for the next couple of days across South Florida and the Treasure Coast. Impact mornings, because it's going to be extra chilly. We have the 50s for your Monday when you wake up. Widespread 40s Tuesday morning, one of the coldest mornings we've had in quite some time. And then back to chilly weather there for your Wednesday when you start the day and head out the door. Near normal there as we go into the first official day of winter. So kiss tomorrow morning impacts. Again, keep those jackets nearby. By the afternoon, temperatures cool in the upper 60s. When I come back, we'll take a look at what changes we're expecting later on in the work week heading into Christmas weekend. Jade?